Success. People describe success as where you are now and where will you be tomorrow, or where you were then and where you are now. That is true. You can be successful if you want to. Sometimes, many of us do not take our life very seriously when it comes to knowledge, when it comes to build success. We not focus on what we want to do with our lives. I look a lot of colleagues on the social media. They're wasting a lot of time talking about things that you have nothing to do with. Pick up a fight. Talk about different attributes on the social media. Those are not the things that you need at this moment. You need to be successful. To be successful, you have to change your mindset. You have to think like a millionaire and act as a millionaire, and then working in your $1 million project. You spend a lot of time on the social media looking for nonsense, things that you have no business of doing, of knowing, but those are the things that's important to you. I don't have the right to tell you what's important to you. But let me tell you, as a community, as a nation, what's important to you is success. Is helping yourself out in any way you can. Your children, your family, your community, your church, especially in a moment where things are not going right, when things are derailed a little bit, where the future is uncertain, where the direction of your life is uncalculable. Isn't it the moment to take it back, sit, and think about what should you do to prepare for a better tomorrow? Everything appears to be okay, but you know for a fact that it is not. Don't play with your life. Don't think about showing off things that you don't have just to prove the public that you want to do something. Today is the moment to think seriously about your success. If you ever heard from me before, or if you're new on TikTok, click below, schedule an appointment to speak with me. I will hold your hands and teach you what you need to do to be successful. And then you will give your life a better look.